this is Twisted Tech. Today we're gonna unbox a brand new Galaxy S10e. Let me go ahead and open this box. Now let's take a look around the box. So this is an Exynos version, so it's a dual SIM variant. This is on the top, on the side, on the back. As you can see, this is the Prism green version. This is on the other side. Let's go ahead and open the box now. There you go. So this is the phone in itself. This is pretty lightweight. As you can see, this actually looks kind of blue. It is a lighter shade of green here. So let's keep it aside. Let's see what it comes with. So we have a package here. Looks like we have a SIM ejection tool here. Let's go and open this box. Let's see what we have inside. We have a silicone case. It's very minimalistic, and I think this is plastic. Let's see what else is in the box. There is more warranty information and all the other stuff. Now let's take a look at the box. So this model came with a generic 128 GB memory card. And I think we got an US style power adapter. And we have a OTG cable here. And we have another box here. This looks like a charging cable. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. And this is the headphones, the AKG headphones. Oh, and this looks like it has been a braided cable. That's nice. And these are the replacement silicone tips. And there is one which comes attached with the headphones already. So that's all the items that you get in the box. So I went ahead and ordered a glass screen protector. So I've already opened this. So I'll leave the links to this in the description below. You can take a look. And this is a tempered glass screen protector. Let's take a look at this. So this is a full screen protector. So it does not come with a hole on punch hole on the top. I'll leave the links to this in the description as well. I ordered another case. I didn't know there would be a case in the box with the phone. So I ordered another one. So it apparently pays to be patient, so I wasn't. But this one is actually a really good case too. This is a minimalistic case as well. This kind of feels rough on the inside and as well as outside. Kind of grippy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual phone. So this is the phone in itself. Let me go ahead and show you the phone. So this is the screen, and as you can see, there is the punch hole there. And if you take a look at the bottom, it comes with a USB-C adapter, a headphone jack, a microphone, and the speaker here. And if you go take a look at the right side, and that is the physical capacitive fingerprint sensor with a power button. And on this side, this is the Bixby button, and there is a volume down, volume up, and there's nothing else on this side. On the top you can see there is a SIM card slot. I think there is another microphone here, and in the back we have the two cameras. I think this one is the main camera, which has variable aperture, and this one is the wide angle, I guess, and this one is the flash, and I think that is the laser tone autofocus. I think this one does not have the heart rate sensor, but other versions do have the heart rate sensor, especially the S10 and S10 Plus. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and in the future I'll be doing a battery test. If you want to see anything specific, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to follow up on that. Thank you. Have a good one.